Wabi Sabi interiors invite calm, but they also raise quiet uncertainties. What's too much? What's not enough? In this video, we walk through a few common FAQs, simple answers, thoughtful starting points, and no design speak. But before we begin, a warm, heartfelt welcome to sweet Magnoliaa, your go-to for everything cozy, curated, and beautifully lived in. Let's begin. One, can I mix Wabi Sabi with modern furniture? Absolutely. Wabi Sabi loves contrast, the tension between clean and imperfect. A minimal sofa beside a vintage stool. A sleek lamp next to a hand-thrown vase. Balance is more important than matching. Two, do I need to repaint everything? Not at all. Start with one wall, one pot, one shelf. Let the shift begin where it wants to, not where trends tell you to. Three, is this style too muted for small spaces? No. Wabi Sabi is about depth, not dullness. A small space can become its own still sanctuary, with matte finishes, low lighting, and textural layering. Four, can I use pops of color? Yes, but let them feel aged. Indigo. Rust. Dusty rose. Antique gold. Color in Wabi Sabi feels like something that has slowly faded, not something that shouts. Five, how do I choose the right paint colors for a Wabi Sabi space? Look for shades that feel soft, aged, and mineral-based, like chalky whites, muted clay, moss green, or soot-toned grays. What matters isn't the label, it's the feeling, colors that seem touched by light, weather, or time. We've shared a full guide to Wabi Sabi color palettes over on the main channel. If you're choosing paints, you might love that deeper dive. The link is in the description. Six, can I decorate Wabi Sabi on a budget? In many ways, you're supposed to. Wabi Sabi isn't about buying, it's about finding. Thrift. Gather. Repurpose. A cracked bowl is more welcome here than a showroom vase. Seven, what's the Wabi Sabi version of white? Think chalk. Bone. Dust. Never bright, never flat. These whites soften, shift with the light, and hold a little warmth behind the quiet. Eight, what is Wabi Sabi in interior design? It's the art of restraint. The beauty of wear. A philosophy that says, let things be incomplete, and let that be enough. 9. Is Wabi Sabi just about neutrals? No, but it is about weathered color. Earth tones. Smoke tones. Pigments that feel like they've been touched by time or salt air. (10) What materials feel Wabi Sabi? Clay. Linen. Worn wood. Stone. You'll know it by feel. Rough edges. Visible grain. The opposite of polished. If something carries age or imperfection, it belongs. (11) Can I blend Wabi Sabi with Japandi or minimalist spaces? Yes, but soften the precision. Let things slouch. Add something frayed. Imperfect objects bring soul to minimalist lines. (12) How do I start without changing my whole home? Take one corner. Remove two things. Add one that feels lived in. Light a candle. Leave a surface empty. Let stillness speak. Wabi Sabi isn't something you decorate with. It's something you feel your way into. If something in this video made you smile or sparked an idea, give it a like, drop a little love in the comments, and subscribe so we can keep creating together.